Video inspection for the Doosan MV3016L with a series OIMC control. Approximately 7,967 hours. And the fixture is company owned, but the sub table will be there, and they've always machined with the sub table. And then it looks like directional coolant, and we can go ahead and run this. So we're just going to move it, Z-axis, very quiet, very, very nice. And then we can go ahead and move the Y-axis. I'm about 12 inches away. You can hear it's very, very quiet. All the guards look like they're in order. This is the X-axis. The tooling will be taken off, but the hydraulic or pneumatic ejectors will stay. I'm going to value you, but you keep your own fixtures.
Yeah.
Okay, we're tossing them. You want to do a tool change? Do a couple of tool changes. Make sure the air is on. Just demonstration of the cooling, directional cooling. This machine can be equipped with up to 300 psi with directional cooling. It does not have through spindle cooling. Okay. Doing a tool change on the Doosan. Do it again if you can.
Well, what'd you do with the door open?
Bottle
So you can try them.
Okay. Down. Indexing the tool carrier. Okay, you're gonna have to do that again, get a tool in there, and then we'll videotape